is time for another Misfits box. Let's see what we got today. Late getting home to get this, but luckily it is snowing outside, so everything's gonna be pretty chilled. So first and foremost, carrots. I go through a lot of carrots. I juice them, I chop them up, freeze them, I put them in salad, I put them in soups or stews. They're generally all-rounder. I use them as snacks too, so. And then next we've got celery. I got 2 bunches of celery. This time it's not in plastic, which I appreciate. But yeah, with celery, same thing. I plan on cutting some, freezing it for soups, stews, or whatever. I juice it, just have for snacks, all kinds of good stuff there. I got some grapes for the kids. These are just as expensive as you would get in the store, though. They're like $7 for this container, but my kids love these cotton candy grapes and these, I think they're called candy snaps grapes. They really like these, so I got those for them. All right, we got 2 bundles of broccolini. I enjoy broccoli and broccolini. I don't get broccolini very often, so I thought, why not? It'll be fun to put in my bowls next week. I've got not 1, not 2, this one came apart, but 3 bunches of kale. Because I like kale, I eat it pretty frequently. Usually I can eat a whole bundle of kale like this in one sitting, so I thought I would get a few. And then last but not least, we've got 2 lemons. These are big boy lemons too. Holy moly, look how big that is. What? Wild. And then I've got 4, there's 3 there, there's 1 more in here, limes. Because, well, this lime looks sad, but we'll use them up. I just wanted some extra citrus for things, maybe putting in juice or water or using in recipes. But yeah, that was the Misfits box today. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go over everything that I got and how much everything costs. So the organic curly kale, the 3 bunches, was $8.97. The organic baby broccoli, the 2 bunches, was $7.98. The organic small limes, 4 of them, was $2.39. 2 lemons, not organic, was $1.35. The cotton candy grapes and the candy snap grapes were $6.99 a piece, so it's pricier, but my kids really like them, so it's a nice treat for them. I got the 2 pounds of organic carrots for $3.99, and then the 2 counts of celery not organic was $4.98. So it totaled out to be $43.64 plus $6.99 for shipping, $1.99 for an operations fee, and 49 cents tax. So that totals out to $53.11, which, yeah, it's not the worst, but it's not the best either, but it is what it is. That's everything that I got today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!